How to log in Sparkasse. Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this tutorial I will show you how to log into your Sparkasse online banking account. In order to do so, you first of all need to go to the official website of your Sparkasse. For example, I'm a customer of the Sparkasse Köln, which means that I just have to search for Sparkasse Köln in any browser and go to the official website. As you have headed to your specific Sparkasse website, you now need to click Anmelden in the top right hand corner. By the way, feel free to change your language on your Sparkasse website. However, not every Sparkasse offers different languages on their website. Mine doesn't either, so I have to show you the whole process in German. Now we need to enter our Anmeldename or login name, enter our online banking PIN or our online banking password. Lastly, we just need to click this red Anmelden or login button, and now we just need to verify the login process with the Push-Tan app. So just open the Sparkasse Push-Tan app, you might need to refresh it and then verify your login. And as you can see, now we are already logged into our bank account here on the Sparkasse website. Now we can check our bank account, check our balance, make new transaction and so on and so on. If this video could help you, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and bye.